BICSc to deliver dynamic demonstrations at Interclean Show. Like, comment, and subscribe to get all the latest from our videos. Specialists from the British Institute of Cleaning Science, BICSc, will deliver cutting-edge demonstrations at Interclean Amsterdam, a world-leading professional cleaning event. Taking place from April 14th to 17th, the event marks Interclean's largest show to date, featuring a record number of exhibitors and attendees. BICSc has been selected to lead interactive, immersive sessions within the show's brand new experience centers designed for hands-on learning. In Hall 12, experts will demonstrate essential healthcare tasks, including bed cleaning, waste management, and wheelchair sanitization to ensure patient safety. In Hall 8, the team will showcase professional maintenance for high-traffic hospitality areas such as hotels, gyms, kitchens, and washrooms. Specialist sessions will cover critical safety procedures, including the correct way to navigate and clean bodily fluid spills. Demonstrations will highlight high and mid-level cleaning developments aimed at maintaining exacting hygiene standards across global sectors. Key BICSc leaders, including Technical Manager Kelsey Hargreaves and Commercial Director Denise Hansen, will be on site to share their extensive collective knowledge. Beyond demonstrations, the BICSc team will offer information on the latest professional training innovations and global membership opportunities. Neil Spencer-Cook, Group Managing Director at BICSc, said, "It is a privilege for BICSc to be chosen to lead innovative demonstrations in the new experience centers which will debut at this year's event." Spencer-Cook added, "All of the BICSc-led demonstrations are designed to be educational and engaging with the team, encouraging interactive audience participation at the end of every session." To learn more, read the full article in our Workplace Services category. Read more at TWinFM.com.